my god. What the fuck?
Oh my god, Shannon, what's it you say?
I will kill you.
Yeah, I will. You can try, but I will. But you have to put your guard up because I will kill your asawa and your kids.
No, I don't have a kid. I have a father.
Yeah, I'll kill your father. It's okay, bro. I'm very powerful. I am with the military association.
Oh my god.
I'm going to contact Donald Trump and send him at your location. And it's okay. But I have dinosaur and your robot is gonna get destroyed by my dinosaur. Tanggol is going to come after you and his pet dinosaur is going to eat your father.
No.
Bro, manonos din ba?
I will teleport like this.
But I will laser your brain so you're gonna
Ibarito na lang.
laser your
May nagigets ka, boy. Ay, may nagigets.
You don't have a gun. I will kill your face.
You can't kill me because I have many soldiers at my right side and the soldiers are from a different dimension. They are fourth dimensional beings that are faster than time and itself, and then they are cosmic beings that's omnipotent enough to kill you in a blink of an eye, in less than a blink of an eye. So you need to fear me, and I'm going to, and yeah, I'm going to.
I will kill you, and I have 500 followers, and I will kill you. Father.
Is that enough? Because I have 501 soldiers.
Wow!
I have the numbers of 1.
Nagagad ka mang bata to eh.
I will,
You will. What if you're gonna do?
I will,
You will.
I will attack my one soldiers after you. No kill my soldiers.
One.
And
Okay.
many soldiers will come to you and fight.
Yeah, but one of my soldiers are Spider-Man and Batman, and then one of your soldiers is going to traitor and betray you, and then he's gonna backstab you and patay you.
My soldier is Montenegro, Sabagan, and Sword. And they are the Sundang.
Yes.
We will kill you. They
It's
are
okay.
Sundang.
I have
Tapos Tapos
Castillo sword.
tapos pagaran ko. Tanda mo.
Gadan matak na mo. Pero the one that is talking to you right now is not me. I am currently, this is just AI talking to you. I'm currently undercover and one of your soldiers, and I'm currently at the back at your back, ready to kill you at any moment. Wow.
Bang!